Hi guys, it's Cats from KCats Arts. Welcome. I'm doing a project for school and we did a project in Unity, so I'm just jumping along my regular platforms. I get to my first area, which is an area effector, which kind of slides me. This is a trip drawer with a hinge, and I slide down onto an icy surface, and then I go along. And then I have another slippery grass area which takes me into a wind tunnel with a multiple area effectors. And then I push a puzzle piece and I move it out of the way. This next area is similar to Mario where you can hop up through the the platform and stay on top. And I jump into some water and then I go back just to show you that this platform as well has that same effect like the other one where if you jump up you can hop onto it. So back into the water, I run across, back onto the ground, and there is my lovely cart which I start pushing and then I jump on and hitch a ride. And that is it for my level. I wanted to make it nice and simple and kind of show all the effects that there is possible for this game. And that's it. Thanks.